Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing you how to achieve this juicy cornrows, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, they call me sassy. Okay, so let's get into the video. So before now I already did my protein treatment, and I kind of have like sediments from the protein treatment on my hair. So if you're seeing like little flakes here and there, just ignore it. Just know it's like the chebe powder still stuck on my strands, and that's totally fine. Anyway, I'll just go ahead to oil my hair because I've just conditioned it, and I need a little bit of oil to let it, let it stay hydrated, since my hair is low porosity and no moisture is allowed to escape my hair. Okay, so I'll also go with a bit of butter to just seal that in. I don't really follow any LOC or LCO method. I just do what I think is right for me, and so far so good. It has been working. So yeah, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just be doing the left side of my hair. Okay, also a brief line check because I'm obsessed. Anyway, for the purpose of this video, I'll be doing the left side of my hair, and I'll just go ahead to part the first section. So as you can see, I've already parted my hair from the middle down, so that kind of already separates it in the way I want it to be, because I want the middle to be where my part starts from. That way I'll be able to lay my wigs flatter. So I'm just going to part the other side of my hair and then start braiding that. So for braiding, we need three major fingers: the index finger, the middle finger, and the thumb. The index finger is for parting the hair little by little as you go through the braid. The middle finger and the thumb is for gripping the ones that are left. So basically follow in slow motion and then you see what I'm talking about. So like I said, index finger is for parting the hair as you go through the braid. The middle and the thumb is for holding your hair. We're still going to do this in another angle, so don't be bothered if you didn't get the first step. We'll just go ahead to do it in another angle right now. So like I said before, look at the motion. The index is for parting, the middle and the thumb is for grabbing. So after that, I just go ahead to do a twist in the ends of my hair. I've just been doing this for a while now because I'm too lazy to braid to the tip, to be honest, and it's just a lot quicker to loosen. So if you've been following my hair for a long time, you know that, okay, cornrows are like my to-go immediately after wash day. But yeah, sometimes I just go straight in with the braid, and that is also fine. So I'll just go ahead to part the second part of my hair, and for this I'm not going to see anything, so you guys should just follow it in total and see you towards the end. So this is under angle in real time. Like I said, index, middle and thumb. Just slide as you go and pick little by little as you go. Don't try to feed in your cornrows with a huge chunk of your hair. Just go part by part as you go. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. So see you guys in my next one, and bye bye.